Morning guys, April 8th, 2026. I had a call from a lady. I believe I worked for her mother before. It sounds like her daughter's calling, so I don't know if she sold the house to her daughter or something happened to her. I'm not sure what's going on, but unless she's just watching the house for her mother. But anyway, she got a problem with the toilet. She says it seems to be running all the time, and she flushed it and overflowed onto the floor or something. It sounds like it's leaking inside the tank. And now it's leaking on the floor. So I don't know. We're gonna go by and figure out what's going on with it. Should be able to fix it for her. It's in a nice area where, you know, the builder built a bunch of houses in an area. Nice high-end area. People aren't spending money unless they have to. They ain't calling me to go over there for tea and crumpets, that's for sure. There. What kind of flipping rag? You putting baby wipes down there?
I haven't. No, is there baby wipes in there?
That's what it looks like to me.
I had somebody house sitting the dogs, and I hope they didn't do that.
The baby wipe. See that?
Looks like a wrap.
A rag, maybe. I don't know what the hell that is.
Yeah, it looks like wipes, right?
Maybe a baby wipe. That's kind of nasty.
Picking up dog poop. Hopefully they put the wipes and put it down there. Was that it? Then if that's the case, then they would probably put more down there.
Well, I mean, I got that out. Let's see if we get that off of there and try snaking another one. That's a baby. That's what that is. That's a baby wipe.
Yeah, I have baby wipes, yes, because I have a 2-year-old. But like I left all instructions, and that'd be really weird if he must have done because.
Who was that? Your babysitter?
No, my house sitter. We went to Florida real quick. We just got back, and he said the toilet was clogged, and we're like, okay, well. Yeah,
well, somebody's flipping baby wipes. You can't do that.
Of course not.
Because they don't dissolve.
Oh.
Right?
Yeah, and I'm hoping he just did it one time and then it clogged and he stopped.
There's nothing in there because I could. That's what it was. So that baby wipe gets down in there and the water gets in there, but it doesn't break it up, right? So it's like a little rag. Wow. Could have been worse.
Yeah. So now it looks like fine, basically.
Yeah, and I readjusted the float. Let's see if it even. No, it's not filling. There it goes. I had it off. I readjusted the float, so we'll see what happens with that. Make sure the thing's flushing good. How's Florida?
You know, we actually left. We were going to stay there for a week, and the 4th day we realized it was going to be the whole week was going to be pouring rain, so we just got home early because there's no point in being in Florida with shitty weather, so.
Shitty weather?
Yeah, no point. So we had a couple good days of grateful. We had to leave early. You go to Florida much? Or do you
I haven't been, no, but maybe I will.
You should. My son. Sun will do you good.
Yeah, maybe.
I love the sun.
Now, is your husband still doing the fisherman?
Oh, yeah.
He's not going anywhere with that.
No.
I work for his brother.
Oh, yeah?
His brother and his brother's wife, they're very nice.
Yes. Kim and Jared. I'm like nervous. Did I call him and not you? Because I remember Jonathan told me, make sure you call that plumber that my brother uses. And I'm like,
Yeah, I fixed his power vent, remember?
Yeah. So I had your card, and I'm like...
Alright, so I adjusted this down.
What is that?
I adjusted this down because it was high. It was too high before. It's better now. So this thing was running over, and then the thing was blocked, so that's why you had the flood. You're gonna have to send a picture to your babysitter about them baby wipes.
Yeah, well, not the babysitter, thank God, he's our dog sitter, because if he's doing this stupid shit, then...
Oh, that's the baby dog sitter.
Yeah, the dog sitter, that's what he was doing.
Oh.
Yeah, that's...
Well,
common sense, you don't put wipes in a toilet.
well, I mean, throw the thing in the trash, right?
Exactly.
Or just toilet paper. That's it.
See, I never thought, we'd always hear the water, so when he said it, I figured it was probably just because we hear the water a lot sometimes, and we can't flush it constantly, like you gotta flush it every now and then. So...
Well, I readjusted this float because it was coming up too high and going over the overflow. If you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Well, the dog's a little yapper, huh?
Yeah, he is.
Chihuahua. What do you expect? I got a little Chihuahua.
Oh, you do? How old?
She's 7 now. She's a long-haired Chihuahua, though.
Mine's a 7 too. She's a miniature though.
Oh, is she that old?
Yeah, she's 7. Yeah.
Oh, but she looked like a little. She looked like a little baby.
I know. She's a teacup.
Oh my God! How heavy?
Girl. What is it?
How heavy is she?
2 pounds. I can't even spay her because she's too tiny.
She's 2?
Yeah, she's 2 pounds, but she's 7 years old.
Wow!
Yeah.
Mine's 6.
What color?
She's white with a little brown in her. All right, so that's better. All right, we'll put the cover back on.